Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Saksham Shetty, CMA mentor at Access Group. Welcome back to our Concept of the Day series. And today we're going to be diving into the most important fundamental pillars of management accounting, the budget. Today's concept of the day is essentials of budget. From the above definitions, we can understand the following are the most essentials in a budget. Number one, it is a statement. Number two, it pertains to the future period. Number three, it states action points that needs to be followed to attain the objectives of the organization. Number four, it may be expressed in monetary units, for example, in values, or in physical units, for example, in quantity or both. And last but not the least, it forms the base for monitoring and controlling. In a nutshell, budget is very important. The essentials are that it is a statement, it is a forward-looking process, and it states action points so that the organization can complete its goals in the future. Remember, tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. I'm Saksham Shetty, CMA mentor at Access Group. If you have any query or want to kickstart your CMA journey, contact the number given below. Thank you and follow for more CMA learning.